Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. The question is, if this blue area is 3 centimeter square and this yellow area is 4 centimeter square, how to calculate this red area? How can we solve this? Before we start the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. First we draw this line which forms this rectangle, and we can write that this area is also equal to 3. Now the required red area, let this is equal to S. This will be equal to 3 plus S1. Let this area is S1. How can we calculate S1? Let this is A and this is B, and this length is X and this length is Y. This length will be also B. Look at this yellow triangle. The area of the yellow triangle is 4, so we can write half of xy equal to 4, and from here we can write xy equal to 8. Now let this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this point is D, and this point is E. If we look at the triangle ABC and triangle CDE, these two triangles are similar. How they are similar? This angle is theta, then this angle will be also theta. This angle is 90, this is also 90, and this angle will be 1 minus theta. This will be also 1 minus theta. So these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, then we can write from this triangle, we can write A divided by X equal to Y divided by B, and we can simplify this. We can write AB is equal to XY, and XY is 8. So AB is also 8, which implies S1 is equal to 8, and the required area, red area, will be equal to S, and S is equal to 3 plus 8, and this is equal to 11 centimeter square, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.